Simran, and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today, we are going to be making an avocado black bean salad that is packed with flavors. It is both sweet and tangy, with a hint of spice. So without further ado, let's get cooking. There are two parts to this recipe. First, we need to mix all of the vegetables, and then we will make the vinaigrette. For the vegetables, we will use 1 small avocado that is finely chopped, 6 to 8 ounces of black beans, but you can also use chickpeas, 1 small tomato that is finely chopped, around 1/4 of a large cucumber that is finely chopped, 1 small onion that is finely chopped, and some cilantro. But the cilantro is totally optional. To make the vinaigrette, we will need 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey. This is optional, but it will give a bit of sweetness. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can also use any other vinegar that you have or that you prefer. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. This will bring out the flavor. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. The first step is to mix together all of the veggies. So first, I will add in the avocados in a large bowl. The onions, the tomatoes, the cucumbers, the black bean, and the cilantro. We will mix these together until they're well combined. Vegetables are mixed, we will make the vinaigrette. So in a bowl, we will add the vinegar, the olive oil, the honey, the lemon juice, the salt and pepper, the red chili powder, and the cumin powder. We will now whisk these together. Once you have fully mixed the vinaigrette, you can give it a taste and see if you need to add salt, pepper, or anything else that you think is required. Once you have finished making the vinaigrette, we will pour it into the vegetable mixture. Now we can mix this together. Salad a final taste and add any other ingredients if required. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comment section below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. See you in the next video!